We moved to a new facility because we wanted to better serve our customers and our partners. By having more space, we can get a product out much faster, but we can also do it with much better quality by adding additional steps, additional equipment, and additional technology to make sure we are delivering the world's best quality. One of the things we're most excited about now is how fast we are manufacturing drawers. We used to take 6 days from the time we put a drawer onto our facility floor till the time it was ready to ship. Now that time is about 3.5 hours. So there is never a time when it's too late to order a drawer. We're here to be your partner, and we're here to get your job done on time and on budget. Moving to the new facility makes Eagle Woodworking even more nimble and capable of keeping up with our most demanding partners. That allows us to deliver a higher quality product on faster timelines and have more optionality for our customers.